Hi, I'm Kevin Creamer. It's the second week of November, and we are conducting conversations with departments across campus about computer replacements that are going to take place in May 2022 and June.
To start. So this year, our standard across the board for both Mac and PCs are 16 gigs and 512 SSD storage. On the PC side, we have two 14-inch laptops, touch or non-touch, two 15-inch touch or non-touch. The 15-inch is the only model with the number pad. Then we have the Carbon, which is non-touch only, and the Yoga, which is touch. That's the one that folds back in the tablet format. All of our PC laptops will come with docks. So we'll be replacing the ones you have now. And on the, oops, I don't know what happened there. And on the desktops, we have the tiny and the small form factor. The desktops are the only systems that comes with the monitor. On the Mac side, the new Macs are all coming with Apple's M1 chip. And those are the 13-inch MacBook Air, the 13-inch MacBook Pro, the 16-inch MacBook Pro, and the 24-inch iMac. And as I said before, they're all 16 gigs and 512 storage.
On November 17th, Information Services will be holding 4 open house events to show off the different models that are available for people to pick from for their computers for next year. I will videotape that event and bring some of that back here to share with you. So if you can, subscribe to the feed and be sure to give us a like. Thank you.